in noise level, it's real quiet. Let's see the pressure on this. So right now it's above 3, almost 4. So that's the regulator, the gauge. And I'm gonna rev it up some, see how it sounds. That's how loud it sounded before. That's just me pressing the gas now. Anyways, I'll compare it in the video. I don't have to scream while I'm talking on the video now. So, alright, there it is. Bye. Alright, I'm back. This is the 3236 Weber. Already started. It's cold. This is the temperature gauge. It's still trying to warm up. So I'll go ahead and rev it up so it can warm up. But that's how it sounds. Once it warms up, we'll see the difference. So this is it at running temperatures, and it goes up to 160, and once it hits that, it goes back down. So my cooling system seems to be working good at idle. But here it is. About 3 pounds of pressure.